Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep Gaur, second year students of IIM Kolkata. Institute of Advanced Management Kolkata is celebrating 74th Independence Day, 15 August 2020, and I participate in the enactment event. So first of all, I want to wish to everyone a happy 74th Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire of 15 August 1947. It is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardships and the sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. And from that day onward, 15th August become a very important day in India history and the hearts of the every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of the patriotism. After that, the independence Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at Red Fort in national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onward, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past cultural programs by school students. We celebrate the Independence Day on a vast scale in our country. Also, every government building is decorated with tricolor lights and that orange, white, and green, just like the national flag. Every official and office staff, whether private or government, has to be present in the office for the flag hosting ceremony and the singing of national anthem. Beside that, there is a lot of other reasons to celebrate our Independence Day. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that the future hangs onto the young generation. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. One of the main motives for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generation aware of the sacrifices we have made to make the country a better place for them. Most notably, it tells them how our country got independence from the grapes and the Britishers, and about the sacrifices our freedom fighters has made the country. Also, we do not make our children aware of the history of our country. To sum it up, gaining independence from Britishers was not easy, and it's because of the struggle and hardship of our freedom fighters that we now live in a free country. Our Independence Day, we remember the long battle that our freedom fighters fought and sacrifices that they have made. Subhash Chandra Bose told, "दिल्ली चलो and तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा." Or we can say those lines who Bhagat Singh teach us. The essential thing in religion is making the heart pure. The kingdom of heaven is within us, but only pure heart can see the king. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai.